Don't you know you can earn up to $500 a day just by using your phone or computer? It's quite easy. You just need to spend a little bit of time on it every day and you'll gain tons and tons of bucks. Don't worry, I'll walk you through every step of this so that you'll be earning in no time. In this video, I'll show you 10 websites where you can actually start making some side cash or, if you're serious, some good money. Isn't that incredible? Stay tuned until the end of this video to learn more about that, because I'll be showing you each website and what to expect to make money. But before we dive into that, here at Trustee Tutor, you'll get to know about the trends, principles of money making, history, recent news, and tips in navigating the world of finance. If you're into that, kindly give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video online, you will be the first to know about it. There are two distinct methods for earning money. The first is through active income. You're only paid for the work that you complete. Simply put, if you don't work, you don't earn money. The second method is to generate passive income. This is my favorite method, because all you have to do is put in the work once, and the money should keep coming in without you having to do anything else except maybe promote what you've made, or in some cases what other people have made. So, let's watch the video. Number 1. Rover. If you like dogs, you should probably look into Rover. Rover is a dog-sitting service currently available only in the United States and Canada. So, if you live in either of these two countries, you can register as a dog sitter and get paid to watch dogs. You can earn between $80 to $100 per night simply by watching someone's dog. Simply babysitting someone else's pet can earn you hundreds of dollars per week. How's that for a bargain? 2. Next is Upwork.com. Upwork is a freelance website. You can earn money by doing Upwork. Businesses and individuals post services they want to outsource on Upwork, such as article writing, video editing, app development, coding, and there are tons of jobs and services being outsourced on Upwork. The beauty of all of this is the low barrier of entry. You just have to be good at something. If you have a skill such as graphic design or coding or just about any other skill, go to Upwork and start earning money. If you're thinking about working on Upwork, make sure you have a strong profile that looks professional. This will greatly increase your chances of receiving job offers from potential clients. Putting your best work on display or emphasizing specific experience can and will help you stand out. Number 3. Amazon. Amazon now sells almost anything imaginable. However, Amazon is more than just a place to buy your favorite toys. It's also a place where you can make money. And there are 3 options. The first is Amazon MTurk. MTurk is similar to Upwork in that it is a place where businesses outsource work that's too difficult for a computer program to do. Audio editing and transcription, translation of audio and video from various languages, testing of websites, writing reviews, and a variety of other services are available. Working on a variety of tasks can earn you as much as $20 or $30 per hour. This is a legitimate way to earn money, and they do pay. However, this is active income. The second method is to use Amazon Kindle Publishing. Make money today by turning your ideas into an ebook. When you buy an ebook from Amazon, both Amazon and the publisher profit, and you can too. The thing about Kindle Publishing is that you must first sell a book. You have the option of writing this book yourself or hiring someone to do it for you. You don't have to be a well-known author or work with a publishing house to do this. You can do this from the comfort of your own home and begin earning passive income. Isn't that fantastic? And the best part is that it's completely free. So sign up now and start earning money. Amazon handles the money handling shenanigans, allowing you to sit back and relax on your couch while earning some good old passive income. If you're seriously interested in Kindle publishing, I strongly advise you to conduct additional research on the subject. You can learn the basics by watching free videos and tutorials on YouTube. If you want professional advice, you may have to first pay for a course. If you're interested, I'll link to a really good one in the description. Some people earn more than $100,000 per year by publishing Kindle ebooks on Amazon. It's definitely a market worth investigating. The third option is to join the Amazon Associates program. This is a popular and simple way to generate passive income. All you have to do is sign up for the Amazon Associates program, which is free, and then choose from thousands of products that Amazon sells on their website to begin promoting. Amazon will provide you with a special link, and whenever someone purchases through your link, Amazon will pay you a commission ranging from 5 to 10% of the sale. Amazon will pay you 60 days after a purchase, and you can choose to be paid via Amazon gift cards, wire transfer to a bank account, or have the money transferred to your Amazon account and start buying stuff with it. Number 4. Shutterstock. Essentially, Shutterstock is a marketplace for buying and selling digital media, images, music, video clips, for example, mostly created by freelancers and third parties. So if you're particularly talented at photography, you can take amazing photos and videos. You can monetize your talent on Shutterstock if you're really good at making sick beats. When someone buys one of your photos from Shutterstock, you get paid a commission, which can range from a few cents to a few dollars if you're lucky. The key to making a lot of money with Shutterstock is to keep uploading high-quality images on a regular basis. 5. ClickBank. ClickBank is an online marketplace where product creators and affiliates can make money by selling their courses or services to people all over the world. ClickBank only sells digital products, but the beauty of it is that the commission payout is significantly higher than that of Amazon. Keep in mind that some affiliates will pay you up to 75% for selling their services, while others will only pay you 5%, so do keep that in mind. Now, having said that, you can make hundreds or even thousands of dollars on ClickBank. Simply go to ClickBank, choose something to sell, and start making money. 6. YouTube. Not many people are aware that you can make money on YouTube. If you want to make money on YouTube, make sure you understand one thing completely. According to the new rules, if you want to start a brand new channel from scratch, you must first reach the YouTube minimum threshold to be monetized. That is, you will require 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in the previous 12 months. How much money can you make on YouTube once you've reached that point? In all honesty, as much as you want. You're golden as long as you keep uploading good content that people want to watch, and the longer the video, the more money you can expect to make. You can make anywhere from $1 to thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars. The more views you get, the more money you can expect to make, and the more subscribers you get. What you earn on YouTube is passive income. Make a few videos and they should keep paying you consistently. You can also make money on YouTube through paid sponsorship, but this requires a large audience, usually at least 10,000 subscribers. Number 7. Flipper.com. Flipper is the most popular online marketplace for buying and selling businesses. It has a large audience and great tools for increasing visibility. It's an auction site similar to eBay for those selling and buying digital assets like websites, apps, domains, Shopify stores, and Amazon FBA accounts. If you're good at creating apps or websites, you can sell them online and make money. Better yet, if you have some spare cash and want to buy websites, apps, or e-commerce stores that are already profitable, you can do so with Flipper. What happens is that you place a bid similar to eBay, and if your bid is the highest, you've just purchased an online business. Selling online businesses is another way to make money. So there you have it, Flipper. Number 8, takelessons.com. This is a website that allows you to teach any skill. Everyone has a skill that they can teach others, whether it's language, cooking, playing a musical instrument, solving complex math equations, or anything else. Anything you believe others may not know, you can teach on Take Lessons and start making money. Number 9, dropshipping. Dropshipping is essentially selling someone else's product for a small or large profit without having to deal with shipping. So you're essentially acting as a broker or middleman. You can accomplish this by creating a Shopify store and then connecting it to Oberlo. Oberlo is essentially an app that integrates with Shopify, and it's what many people use to source items to sell on their websites. The basic idea behind dropshipping is that you set up a store or any other channel where people can buy your products. Then, after they purchase something from you, you pay the manufacturer, usually for much less than you paid for it, and have the manufacturer ship it to the customer. All of this happens without you ever seeing or touching the product. The best part about dropshipping is that you can set your own price for the product you want to sell, then keep your profits and pay the manufacturer the difference. So, in a nutshell, that's dropshipping. Number 10, Fiverr. You've probably heard of Fiverr a lot because it's a simple and easy site to start making money on. But if you haven't heard of Fiverr, it's a freelance website where you can literally outsource anything, and I mean anything, as long as it's legal, for as little as $5. You can create animations, logos, packaging, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture and floor planning, 3D models and product design, t-shirts and merchandise, SEO and much more. Anything that can be outsourced can most likely be found on Fiverr. And that's it. If you have any questions, personal experiences or suggestions regarding this video, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video online, you will be the first to know about it. Keep updated and work smart. Till soon.